Today we are talking about application on the equation. First, we study the solving the quadratic equation on the second degree. Now we are talking about applications on solving quadratic equations in one variable algebraically. To solve the equation, number one, translate the stir problem to equations. We convert the word to equations. If we have the number x, a half of the number equal x over 2 or 1 over 2x. Twice the numbers, twice it means the double. If we have x, the double of x is 2x. 3 times of the numbers, it means 3x. Square of the number, it means x power 2. If we have the number x, it's square x power 2. The additive inverse of the number. Additive inverse, negative x. What about multiplicative inverse? 1 over x. If we have two numbers, one of them exceeds the other by 5, or one of them less than the other by 5, or the difference between them 5. All of them, it's mean the two numbers x and x plus 5 or x minus 5. The sum of the two numbers equals 5. It's mean the first number x and second 5 minus x. If we have the two numbers, the ratio between them 2 to 3, then we have the two numbers 2x and 3x. The age of man now is x, then the age after 4 years x plus 4, and his age 3 years ago x minus 3. All of them is the keywords of translate from the stir problem to equations. If we have rectangle whose length exceeds its width by 5, then we have the width equal x, then the length equal x plus 5. The perimeter equal length plus width, all times 2. Then the perimeter equal 4x plus 10. The area of rectangle equal length time width. It means x time x plus 5. It will be x power 2 plus 5x. Example. If we have a positive, find the positive integer whose square exceeds its double by 8. Now consider the number x. Then its square x power 2. Its double, it means 2x. Let the number x, its square x power 2. And its double, it means 2x. Now we translate the positive number, its square x power 2, exceeds minus its double 2x equals 5, equals 8. So we can write the equation x power 2 minus 2x equal 8. Then we put the equation on the standard form of quadratic equation, ax power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. And we factorize this expression, x power 2 minus 2x minus 2. It will be x plus 2 and x minus 4. We want the two numbers, its product equals 8, and the difference between them equals 2. So we factorize x power 2 minus 2x minus 8 equals 0 at the form x plus 2 and x minus 4. So we can write x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. X power 2 equals 0, it means x equal negative 2. X minus 4 equals 0, it means equal 4. Look at here, x plus 2 equals 0, so we can write x equal negative 2. But here we want the positive integer. Refuse x equal negative 2. So we can find the number is 4. Then the positive integer whose square exceeds its double by 8 is 4. Another example. What is the real number? If it's add to its square, the result will be 12. We consider the number x. It's a square, it means x power 2. To write the equation, what is the number? If we add its square, x power 2 plus x, it will be 12. We put the equation x power 2 plus x equal 12 at the standard form. So we can write x power 2 plus x minus 12 equals 0. Now factorize the expressions. We want the two numbers to product equal 12 and the difference between them 1. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, what else? And 3 times 4, 3 times 4 equal 12, and the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. So we can factorize x power 2 plus x minus 12 as a form x plus 4 and x minus 3. X plus 4 because 3 greater than, because 4 is the greater than 3, so 4 take the middle sign. So we can write x plus 4 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0, x equals negative 4, and x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. So the number is negative 4 or 3. Find the two real numbers whose product is 45 and one of them is 4 more than by other. Here we want to find the two real numbers. Its product equals 5. And the difference between them, or one of them, is more than by other is 4. So we can write the numbers are of x and x plus 4. X and x plus 4. Its product equal 45, so we can write the equation. The first number times second number equal 45. X times x plus 4 equals 45. Now we put the equation on the standard form. It will be x power 2 plus 4x equals 45. It will be x power 2 plus 4x minus 45 equals 0. We want to find the two numbers, its product equals 45 and the difference between them is 4. X plus 9 and x minus 4. So x plus 9 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. We can find x equal negative 9 and x equals 4. This exercise, the two numbers product equal 45. What about if we told me a rectangle, its area equal 45 and the length more than width by 4? The same answer. If he told me the rectangle, the length more than width by 4 and its area equal 45, we solve this problem as this equation. But if we have the rectangle, we refuse the negative number. Here we can find x equal negative 9 and x equals 5. So the two numbers are negative 9 and negative 4, or 5 and 9. Thank you and goodbye.